Did you know you could set up digital receipts to be sent to your customer's email? In this video, we'll go over how. There are two main steps we want to make before the system will automatically send out digital receipts to our customers. First, when we create a customer, as seen here, hit new. You can input all of their information. And then at the bottom here, you can select to use the email that you put in as the address for the digital receipts. So we can select this one and click this box. Create it. And now our customer has been created. Now we need to go to the back office to check one other option. Once on the back office, we'll want to go down to settings and change our POS profile a little bit. So we'll click POS profiles and then double click the POS profile we're using. Once in here, in the bottom right section here titled receipt, we'll see there's a section that says digital receipt. We'll click this box and hit save. With these steps complete, it's as simple as adding a customer to a receipt, finalizing the transaction, and then a couple minutes after the transaction is complete, they'll receive an email with their digital receipt. One benefit of toggling on digital receipts is if you have a customer-facing display, there'll be a QR code presented whenever you're doing a transaction with your customer. If they don't have a customer account within your system, but they still want a digital receipt, they can use their cell phone to scan the QR code on the customer-facing display. This will take them to a link where they can input the email address they'd like to receive a digital receipt to. Once they hit accept, a couple minutes after the transaction, they will receive that digital receipt to their email address. Thank you for watching this Corona POS Help Center video. For more information, please visit the description below where you'll find a link to our online manual page with comprehensive information about our system's functions. You'll find the contact information for our support center, as well as other resources that will help you get the most out of your POS system.